You think Victoria will come to the rap party?
I hope so.
I think out of everybody that's left, she's probably the one that's been mentioned more.
Yeah?
Oh, you smelly bastard.
Yeah, wink. I was waiting for you to do it before I wink. Oh my God, it's getting worse, Adam. It's getting worse. I'm gonna bring it over with me.
No, you sit down.
Too late. You can smell it, can't you?
Smelly bastard.
You love it. You love my smell.
I will never love that smell of anybody, not even my own.
You can appreciate it when it's your own, though, can't you?
No.
I've got
You
something
should be
really wrong with
disgusted
me.
with yourself.
I've got something really wrong with me.
You should be disgusted.
No, I really have, because it
Smells like a rat that climbed up your ass and died.
I know.
Something's climbed up there and died.
I know.
So glad I have this force field.
What's that?
I'm so glad I have this force field.
Oh, it came out the other way. It's okay.